As part of the CINDERELA project, Nigrad also built an access road, the one you can see here. The access road is built on a reinforced base made of recycled construction waste with an average thickness of 70 centimeters. The road itself is divided into 4 sections, of which each section has its own composition. The recipes for these sections were actually made and prepared by ZAR, which is the Slovenian National Building and Civil Engineering Institute, and they are also conducting the testing and the control of the road. In all sections, the lower layer is made of reclaimed asphalt. 4 different materials were used as the unbound support layer as buffer. In the first section, the materials used are a mixture of reclaimed asphalt with the addition of electrophilic ash. The following is a section of natural buffer that has been reused. In the third section, reclaimed asphalt is used. The road ends with this last section built from a mixture of recycled construction waste, which represents 70%, and asphalt millings, which represent 30%. Each section has sensors installed. These sensors measure the humidity and the tension of each section. The measuring points are connected to automatic data collection with the purpose of monitoring the deformation of the road under heavy traffic loads. The entire road will also be controlled with geodetic recordings of the change in road surface height. In the CINDERELA project, Nigrad also demonstrated the preparation and building of an anti-noise embarkment out of recycled materials. This anti-noise embarkment is implemented as a sound barrier, preventing the transmission of voice caused by the production process to the immediate surroundings. It is made from different layers of recycled materials, such as a mixture of electrofilter ash, small heavy fraction from the processing of municipal waste, recycled mixed construction waste, as well as crushed concrete and brick rubble, and crushed waste asphalt. All that in layers of 50 centimeters thickness up to the total height of 3 meters.